Thanks for joining me today. My name is Bodo and this is Bodo Thai. So I want to make this video to make it quick and short and get to the point, because this is going to be very important phrases and sentences that you're going to need to know when you go to Thailand, because medical emergency does happen. Sometimes you get sick, sometimes your kid gets sick, and you need to get some help. The easiest way to get help is to be able to communicate with them, to let them know what's wrong with you. Let's go. First one, I need a doctor. If you're male, you use pom. If you're female, use chan. Or you can just use chan for everyone. It don't matter if you're male or female. I need a doctor. ฉันต้องการหมอ ฉันต้องการหมอ which means I need a doctor. All right, so it's something wrong with your kid, something wrong with your husband, your loved one. ฉันต้องการหมอ and people will get you help. Okay, very important. Learn this. You can goof off all you want, but this 5 or 6 sentences that I'm gonna give you, you need to learn this. Next one, I'm feeling sick. ฉันไม่สบาย ฉันไม่สบาย which means I'm sick. You can have a stomach ache or fever or whatever it is. All right? ฉันไม่สบาย will cover everything. As long as you're sick, ฉันไม่สบาย will cover everything. That's all you need to know. ฉันไม่สบาย. Very simple, very easy. Get to the point. All right? Next, where's the nearest hospital? โรงพยาบาลใกล้ที่สุดอยู่ไหน โรงพยาบาลใกล้ที่สุดอยู่ไหน Where's the nearest hospital? I need to go there now. โรงพยาบาลใกล้ที่สุดอยู่ไหน People will tell you. People will help you. People might call you a taxi, a cab, or whatever, or even drive you themselves. Okay? It's emergency. All right? You need to know this. You ate something. Now you have a stomach bad. ฉันปวดท้อง or ผมปวดท้อง Okay? ฉันปวดท้อง which means I have a stomach ache really bad. Said you need a doctor. You might have Bangkok belly or something. Okay? If you don't know what that is, just look it up. It's not good. All right. Okay. ฉันปวดท้อง which means I have a stomach ache. ฉันปวดหัว means I have a headache. ฉันปวดหัว means I have a headache. Yeah, just a throbbing headache. ฉันปวดหัว Okay. ฉันมีไข้ means I have a fever. ฉันมีไข้ ฉัน mean I. or ผมมีไข้ ฉันมีไข้ Okay. Which means I have a fever. If your kids have a fever, just point to them and say มีไข้ Okay. Or whoever that go with you in your party. All right. You can point to that person and say มีไข้ They'll understand to stay away from you. I'm just kidding. Okay. Next one. Help. ช่วยด้วย ช่วยด้วย Very simple word, but very powerful. ช่วยด้วย Help. I create emergency video. You might, I don't know if you have seen it or not, but if you haven't, I'm going to put the link at the end of this video. It's all about emergency sentences that you need to know and all the different situations that you might come across. So that will definitely save your life or save your family's life. You can be goofing off, watching other videos for fun or whatever, it's fine, but at least watch the emergency videos, because that's life-changing, life-saving kind of video, and you need to know that. Okay, once you watch that, once you write it down, you can go back and watch other goofy videos I made or whatever. It's all good, it's all fine, I don't care. Okay, but at least please watch those emergency videos. All right, my name is Bodo, and this right here, just a short video for the day to get you going right away while you're in Thailand, or when you plan to go to Thailand. You're sitting on a plane for 18 hours. Practice this. All right, keep watching this, rewatch it, write it down, shove it somewhere in your body, strap it on your body, whatever. Okay, and get good at it, because hopefully you don't need it, but if you do, you know what to say. I'm always here to help you. If you have any question or requests, let me know and I'll get back to you. All right, my name is Bodo. If you like this kind of content, please like and subscribe, and I will see you next time. Peace.